Hello students, this is Preeti Damble of Mount Litera Z School Jhansi, and today we are learning English grammar, the second phase of time, past tense. This video is for class 7. Now first of all, what is past tense? Past tense is basically an action that has started and finished in the past. Now there are different expressions that refer to time, such as last year, ago, and at first, and so on. Now, there are 4 slots of past tense. So, first slot which we are going to learn first is simple past. Now, simple past, the syntax is verb plus d and ed form. Yes? Now, I've already told you what is past tense. Past tense refers to an action that has started and finished in the past. Okay. So, now D and ED will depend on the verb or the type of sentence where you will use D and ED. Yes, this is the positive form of the sentence. Like, for example, the movie started at 6 p.m. This morning I cooked food, cleaned the house, and washed the clothes. Clear? Negative form refers to the opposite form of positive, that is not. So the syntax for negative form would be did not plus the first form of the verb. Yes, for example, Rekha did not go to the market. Interrogative, that's the question form, question tag. Like for, the syntax would be did plus subject plus the first form of the verb. For example, did Rekha go to the market? Yes? Okay. Now the second form is past continuous. Now past continuous refers to the action that was going on at a given period of time, that is a given instance he is talking. Okay? Now, what can be the syntax for the positive form? How can you write past continuous sentence? So, you'll have was and were plus the ing form of the verb. Clear? Like, for example, we were watching TV the whole evening. Clear? Negative form would be again the opposite form, was not या फिर were not plus the root form of the verb with ing form. Like, for example, Rahul was not feeling well after having dinner. Clear? Interrogative or the question form, was and were plus subject plus ing form of the verb. Like, for example, were you sleeping when I came? Clear? Next, the third past slot is past perfect. It shows past situation that relates to the present one. Okay, past perfect refers or it actually shows the past situation that is giving inference or relation to the present ones. Like for the positive syntax would be had plus the past participle. Clear? Like, for example, we had booked our tickets for the show. Clear? Negative form would be the opposite of it, had not plus the past participle. For example, I wish I had not wasted my time. Next, interrogative. Interrogative means again the question form, had plus subject plus the past participle. Am I clear? Now, the fourth slot is past perfect continuous. Yes. Now, for example, before I give you the example, let us know what is actually past perfect continuous. So, past perfect is actually an action that began before a certain point in the past and is continued up to that time. Yes, it is continued till the particular amount of time. Like for the syntax would be had plus been plus the root form of the verb plus ing. Had been shows that the action is continued. Yes, It is continued. It has began before a certain point in the past. It had begun. Actually, it had begun in the past and it is still continued to the specific time. Like for example, he had been working hard for the past few days. So he is continuously working hard for the past few days. Negative form again, the not form, had not plus been plus the root form of the verb. For example, he had not been coming to school for the past few days. Interrogative or the negative form, had plus subject plus been plus the root form of the verb plus ing. Like for example, had the pilot been drinking before the crash? Okay, thank you.